Hey guys, today I'm going to explain how you can make money just by streaming on Twitch. If you find this video helpful at all, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe and drop a like to see more videos like it in the future. The biggest key to making money on Twitch is obviously growing your channel. The best way to grow your channel is by trying to establish yourself in a niche of games that isn't super mainstream but still has a decent amount of viewers. It's extremely hard to start as a small streamer and grow playing super popular games like Fortnite because all the large established streamers are already playing those games. But if you're playing less common games, you have a much better chance at grabbing attention. Another good way to gain a following is by utilizing other social media platforms. If you're serious about growing on Twitch, you should post on other platforms every time you're gonna live stream. One of my friends posted on Snapchat and Instagram every time he was streaming, and he recently became a Twitch partner, which is another huge step in the process to making good money on Twitch. When you first start out, you can add a donation button to your stream, which is a great way to make some money from any generous viewers. Once you start growing, you can get paid for gaining subscribers and apply to be a Twitch partner. As a Twitch partner, you'll get paid about $250 per 100 subscribers per month. After gaining about 400 subscribers, that's $1,000 per month. Growing on Twitch is hard, but if you play the right games and really work at gaining subscribers, you can make a lot of money doing it. If you found this video informative or enjoyable and you want to learn new ways to be more productive, grow on social media, and make more money, please take a second to subscribe. I make a new video every single day, and if you have anything you'd like me to make a video about, drop it in the comments below. It really means a lot to me when you guys support this channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope you have an awesome day.